Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I redrew this happy smile face the other day, and I stated in that video that this would not trace, and it would not trace. But I had a little difficulty making the mouth and the lips. So if we make a duplicate of that by hitting plus key on the keyboard, moving it over, just so in case we mess something up. If you have this item selected, you can go to the crop tool and crop out just that mouth. Hit crop. By having selected prior, everything else on the page stays. We're going to go to trace bitmap outline trace clip art. It does it that fast. Move your trace version out of the, well, this time the trace version stayed up top. Go to group and ungroup and try to grab just that black. And there it is. Now it's real rough because it's a trace, but if we zoom in, and I always think it's better to left click, right click to get an outline because you can kind of see it better. Take the shape tool and go to the smoothing tool and just click on your item, the nodes appear, and then just real quickly, just hit it real quickly and then kind of just swipe through here and it looks really good. Then we can take and fill it in with black, take away the outline. So this is the original. We're going to put this, go to object, order, front of page, so we can put it on top of that bitmap. And you really can't tell the difference between the two. They look perfect. And it's a good vector file now. If we take this and put it on top of the one I did the other day, you can see the difference. Now mine is equally as good, but this is, if they had to make it more like the original, that would be perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.